Hi kids! Welcome to STEAM class where science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics meet all together. I'm Mr. Albert and for today, we will continue making the water cycle diorama. And for today, this is our water cycle diorama and we will finish making this. So are you excited? Now kids, let's start! So kids, here are the materials needed for today. Of course, the scissors, the uhu, and the thread, and the materials for week 4, where there are arrows and labels for our water cycle diorama. So kids, let's start! So kids, this is what you need to do. You have to cut this one, sun, cut this one, also the arrows, and this one, and the drops of the rain, you have to cut, alright? So kids, there we have it. We have here the vapors, water, clouds, rain, and sun, and then the arrows, and then this shows about the evaporation, and then the raindrops. So kids, we need to put this in our water cycle diorama. So let's start. First is making the raindrops. So we will use this thread and just estimate a short one like this, not that long. Now kids, we are making the raindrops. Okay, so we have here the water droplets. We will put So kids, there we have it, our raindrops. We will now put it in here on our clouds. It shows that it is raining. We need also the uhu. This one, kids, is for evaporation. So we will glue it in here. Clouds. Now we will label now our diorama. Let's start with the bodies of water. Okay, kids, for the arrow, let's start to put the arrow that shows the cycle. The first one is the water moving up through evaporation. Okay, kids, there we have it, our final project for water cycle diorama. So in our diorama, again, diorama is a model representation of a scene. So this water cycle diorama shows how the water cycle occurs or how the water cycle happens. So kids, there we have it, our water cycle diorama. It shows how water cycle happens. So as the sun heats up and going down to the surface of water or bodies of water, the water rises up as water vapor and it is called evaporation. Okay? And it becomes cloud. If the cloud cannot hold the water, it drops as rain and the water moves again, going down to the ground, going down to the bodies of water, and it continues to move like a cycle, which is now, we call it as water cycle. Okay, so please remember how water cycle happens or occurs, because for your presentation you have to explain about water cycle. Alright kids, so that is all about water cycle and your project is called water cycle diorama. So again kids, there we have it, our water cycle diorama. Next week, be prepared for the presentation of your project only here in STEAM class, where science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics meet all together. I'm Mr. Albert and I'm so excited to see you next week. God bless you and bye-bye!